Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Cloud Identity for Fintech Access Control, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing with Google Cloud Identity for Fintech Access Control, you will first need a Google Cloud account. If you don't have one, visit the Google Cloud website and create an account. Once you have an account, sign in to the Google Cloud Console. In the Cloud Console, locate the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From the menu, select I am an admin. Next, click on Identity Access Management. Now, it's time to set up your organization if you haven't done so already. To create an organization, navigate to the Manage Resources section. Click on Create Organization and follow the prompts. After setting up your organization, head back to the I am an admin section. Select Service Accounts. Service accounts are crucial for accessing APIs securely. Click on Create Service Account to begin the configuration. Provide a name and description for your service account before proceeding. Next, assign the necessary roles that align with your FinTech application's requirements. Common roles include viewer, editor, and custom application-specific roles. Once roles are assigned, click Continue. Now, you will see an option to create a key for the service account. Select the JSON key type and click Create. This action will download a JSON file to your computer. Keep this file secure, as it contains sensitive credentials. Next, open your FinTech application. Integrate the Google Cloud Identity for authentication purposes. Use the downloaded JSON file to configure the service account within your application. Follow your application's documentation for specifying the authentication process. Once the configuration is complete, test your integration to ensure successful authorization. Log into your application and verify that Google Cloud Identity allows you access. If you encounter any issues, check the permissions assigned to your service account. Review the API settings in Google Cloud Console to ensure they are correctly configured. With successful authorization, your FinTech access control setup is now operational. Congratulations on completing the setup for Google Cloud Identity in a FinTech environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.